Hello, my name is Meg B. I'm an intern for the Green Initiative. Over the summer, we were experimenting with 360-degree video because we wanted to create virtual reality field trips to educate the public about where their trash goes after they throw it away. In order to do this, the first step, of course, is taking the video. We used a Nikon camera. We mounted it onto a helmet and then walked around the facilities wearing the helmet. This was super cool for moving shots, but I recommend if you want to take a standstill shot to just put it on a tripod. This will decrease the amount of shaking on the camera so you don't have to stabilize it later. Another recommendation that I have is to keep all of your shots under 4 minutes. I found myself waiting for a 6-minute video to download onto my computer when I only wanted to use 30 seconds of it. 360-degree videos take up a lot of data, which is why it takes so long for each video to download. When it comes to editing, the software that comes with the Nikon camera is called Mission. It's free, so we decided to try it. We did not end up using it because it does not allow you to add a voiceover to the videos, which we felt was very important for a field trip. The software that we did end up on is called Garmin Virb editing software. It is also free and it does allow voiceovers. This is how you download it. All I did was Google Virb editing, and it's the first one that comes up. So you just download for a PC or a Mac, whichever one you have. I have a PC. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to download it again because I do already have the editing software installed on my computer. And this is what it looks like. So the first step, once you're in the editing software, is to import your clips and photos. So I always go to Import Other. And right here you can see that it says Mission 360. This is showing up because I have already plugged in the camera into my computer. And so that's where this is. And now this is all of the videos that are on the camera currently, and you can download any of these straight onto the editing software. That's one way to get the videos into your editing software. I think there's another way. It takes a little bit of extra steps, but I actually think it makes it easier in the long run. So the way that I think it is easiest to do it is to download it onto your computer and then download it onto Drive. So that's what we did here. I was not the one that downloaded these on. It was my boss because she was the one. It is her camera. And so these are all of the videos. And the reason why I think that this is better is because I can go in here and I can just click this one and I can play it. So it's not in a 360-degree, it's in a funky format, but this is actually totally cool because now when I'm writing my script, I can look at all these videos and I can just click really quickly into each one, and if they're in the editing software, it's a little bit harder to watch them really quickly so that you can write your script. Speaking of writing a script, this is my format for doing it. So this 91 right here, that's the number of the clip that this piece of script goes with. So this is just how I kind of am able to organize it in my head. So I write it all out, and then I have my coworkers read it to make sure it's all correct. And then I use my phone to record it, and I just record it like this much at a time. That way, if something goes wrong with one of them and later in editing I have to go back and re-record it, I don't have to re-record the entire 5-minute video. All I have to do is just re-record just 20 seconds of voiceover, which is super helpful. So this is all the preparing that you need to do before you start editing. I hope this video helped, and if you want to learn how to actually edit the 360-degree video, that will be my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful.